Namaste, my friends. Now we are going to see the second chapter, that is magnetism. And first point is Biot and Short's law. These two scientists come together and they have observed a certain phenomenon and they come to conclusion to some concrete conclusion which becomes a Biot-Short's law. Okay, let us consider a curved copper wire. This is the curved copper wire. Okay. Current I is moving, flowing through this current carrying conductor. Then Biot and Short, two scientists come together and they passed the current I through this conductor. Then they observed magnetic field is produced by this current carrying conductor. Understood, my friends? The magnetic field produced by this current carrying conductor at any point, what they observed is directly proportional to current I. Directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Directly proportional to the sine of the angle between line joining. That means this is conductor and this is the line joining the any point P. Then the angle theta is this between the this corresponding current conductor carrying current I, and this is the line joining at any point. This may you take any point from here or where here. Theta can be changed according to that. And they observe that it is directly proportional to sine of theta. And inversely proportional to 1 upon r square, where r is distance of any point from current carrying conductor carrying current I. If suppose this current carrying distance is small, then magnetic induction is more at this point. As this R is goes on increasing along this line, the magnetic induction produced is goes on decreasing, and finally the magnetic field at a very high distance is totally vanished. There is no experience of the magnetic field such as this point. It is at a near magnetic field is observed at a near to this conductor only. Understood? Just like suppose you are going to your village and totally there is a black night, and one you are observing one light here of the MACB supply, and you are 2 kilometers away from this light of the MACB supply. You observed 2 kilometers away, the light is very intensity of the light is very less. As you go nearer to that MACB power supply, that means the MACB light given by the pole of that corresponding MACB, the intensity of this bulb at this point is goes on increasing. In similar way, my friends, As we come closer to this current carrying conductor, the magnetic induction is goes on increasing, and at this point, at the conductor, the magnetic induction is maximum. Okay, then the scientists Biot and Short, what they doing work, they are trying to calculate magnetic induction produced by this current carrying conductor. To calculate the magnetic induction of the current carrying conductor, they divide this corresponding conductor into small segments, just like the pieces of whatever may be onion, tomato, like that pieces. Small pieces. Consider one such a small segment of width dx. This dx is a distance r from any point P. Then what is the magnetic induction at point P is dB. It is dB is due to what? Dx. Then how to calculate B? That you have to integrate. Now that is we are going to see in the later part. This Biot and Savart law, what we are defined, Biot and Savart law is like that. Magnetic induction produced by the current carrying conductor at any point is directly proportional to the magnitude of current I, length of the conductor ds, sine of the angle joining the any point P and the conductor, and inversely proportional to the distance r of any point P. That is written in short form dB equal to, that is dB directly proportional to I dx sin theta r square, and finally proportionality sign is go, and only remaining dB equal to mu 0 4 pi I dx sin theta r square. Then from where mu 0 upon 4 pi comes? This is proportionality constant. What they are discovered is that this is proportionality constant. In that constant, why it is constant? Because mu 0 is constant, 4 is constant, pi value is constant, pi is equal to what? 3.142. And mu 0 is permeability of free space, it is again constant. So do you understand this Biot and Short in simple way? I have given the simple example of the MACB bulb which is away from the 2 kilometer from you. You are going to walk from that 2 kilometer to 0 kilometer of that MACB bulb which is on that MACB pole. As you go on closer to closer, the intensity of the light is goes on increasing. In similar way, the intensity of the magnetization or magnetic induction is goes on increasing towards the current carrying conductor. That's why it is inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. Now, if there is a direction, then vector form comes. See here. Biot-Savart law in vector form. We have sin theta is here, it is replaced by dx multiplied by r bar, dx bar multiplied by r bar, because dB bar equal to mu 0 4 pi I is constant. There is no direction about. There is a direction, but it is not a vector form. Dx bar there is a direction. R bar there is direction divided by r cube. And there dx bar multiplied by r bar is nothing but sin theta. This is the vector form of Biot-Savart law. R bar is vector drawn from the center of the element to the point, any point. Dx is the length of element. You may ask the objective questions like that. In the case of the Biot-Savart law, magnetic induction produced at any point is directly proportional to number one option dash dash. current, number 2 option voltage, number 3 option resistance, number 4 option all of these. Any quantity they will ask. And lastly, they will maybe ask the vector form of the Biot-Savart law is given by dash dash formula mu 0 I dx plus dash dash. You can write there. Options are R bar, P bar, A Q bar, like that, and they will ask the objective question. Okay, in this type they will ask a question in your online if the exam is conducted online. Thank you, my friends. Thank you very much.